man. I wish there was something I can do to avoid working at this crappy school. Oh, I know what to do. I'm going to flood the whole school and put everyone in danger.
Where is Dark Hydro Buddy Bro? He's already late to class. Huh. Why is there water scattering all over the floor? Oh no! The school's flooded, and I'm floating away.
Ha. How did you like that, Mr. Hernandez? Pretty funny, huh?
Dark Hydro Buddy Bro, out of all the things I've seen you do at the school, this has got to be one of the most dangerous schemes I've seen you do. What do you have to say for yourself?
Surf's up. Hey.
Dark Hydro Buddy Bro, if the school wasn't drenched in water, then I would have sent you to the principal's office. You are banned from using the bathroom for a month. Go home, right now.
How could you, Dark Hydro Buddy Bro? You flooded the whole school. Now we'll have to pay for the damages you have caused.
But Mom, Dad, and Hydro Buddy Bro, it was just a harmless little.
You are grounded, young man. No doubt about it. 1 day in your room and 1 whole week in the house.
Go upstairs to your room right now. Screw you, Mom, Dad, and Hydro Buddy Bro. Hey, shut up, Dark Hydro Buddy Bro.